Yo, what's going on, guys? Nick here. Today, I'm going to show you. I've done a video similar to this before, but I'm going to show you my updated chemistries that I have on my team. I used to run Brawler on everybody, but that was because I had lower overall players. But now, recently, I've switched to where I have Shaker on all of my skill positions, and then I've kept Brawler on my guys that are in the trenches, my offense and defensive line. And I just wanted to show you basically how to get the max tier chemistries and the benefits you get from them. And if you see some of these players with the blue numbers, that's because they've gone up in overall. That's them going up in overall because of the boosts they're getting from the chemistries on the team. So um, a lot of people in the stream ask me how do I get blue players. It's based on your chemistries and the boost that the player gets from those chemistries. Um, so what I run on offense is I run go deep on my quarterback and my receivers, and then I also run go deep on a few of my backup offensive linemen. There's one there. Um, I got it on all my tight ends. So my players are high enough overalls now where I don't have to run go deep on a bunch of my offensive linemen. I can just put it on the one and still get the max tier. It's 30 out of 30 um, for the go deep. So I run go deep on all of them, and then I run zone run on all of my running backs, my fullback, and then my offensive lineman. It's all zone run because zone run maxed out gives you +2 run block, and run block I feel like is the most important. So um, those are just the chemistries I run. So I also wanted to go over kind of how to maximize your chemistry and get to the top tier. So if you have 98 rated players, they will they get times 4 for the chemistry spot. So you see here that Tyreek has go deep times 4. That's because he's 97 rated. Let me show. Let's see. Let me just hit player options. Yeah, there you go. Okay, just to bring it up bigger for you. So if you see, he hits times 4 on the go deep. So 98 players get times 4. 93 rated players get times 3. As you can see from any of these players here, these are all times 3. And then 88 rated players get times 2, and then it's like 76 I think gets times 1. I can't remember. It's pretty low. It might be 80, but that's that's what is going to max out your tiers. The higher rated players you get, you can put, so like if I have all 88 plus rated players here, I can get 20 Kim towards my maxing out my tiers on like zone run, because I can get 2 here, 4 here, 6, 8, 10, 12. You guys can do the math, but um, so that's if I have all 88 pluses. But if I only have all 86s, then I can only get 10 towards my max tier. So it makes a big difference going up from the 88 rated players, and then even another jump to those 93 rated players. Because then if I have the 93 rated players, I can get 30. I can max it out just on my offensive line, which I wouldn't do because I would max it out on my starters, and then you also have your running backs to hit too. But if you can get those extra tiers of players, like if you have an 87 overall team and you can get up to start getting the 88 overall players in here, I would recommend that. Even like the ones you can't buy or sell, even the nats that it gives you, um, you can still put those to use. So that's what I run there. That's how I get my max tiers. Obviously, I have a pretty good team, obviously, but um, we're also using it like we should be using it to get these tiers. Now I have thought about switching to actually play fake instead of go deep because it gives more medium accuracy, and and I don't have. I'm not going to keep running Mahomes. I'm going to be running Lamar. So I don't. I don't know yet. I got to see what Lamar's throw power ends up being before I would make a switch like that, because go deep will give Lamar +2 throw power, which is pretty huge. But so that's it for the offense. And then since I have my tiers max, I just put ×1 go deep on Mahomes. I could put up to ×4, but it's kind of just a waste of training because I already have them maxed. So, and then the other thing was the physical chems. You have to have those. They have to be 95 to get ×2 on those. So if you're a 93, 94 rated team looking to make the jump on your physical chems, then if you can get to 95 rated players, you get the ×2 for those. And since I have enough 95 rated players and enough ×2s, I was able to switch it from everybody having brawler to get max brawler to just leaving my skill position players to get shaker, because then that keeps their agility and excel, and also gives the speed. So then on my defense, I run. This is similar to last time I did a video with showing my chemistries, but I run stuff on all of my defensive linemen and linebackers, and then I run lockdown on all of my secondary. And it's the same thing. Same overall players get you the boost. And I like lockdown a lot. I'm gonna power up Sherman. That's why he doesn't have any. You have to have a power up to have the physical ability slot or the physical chemistry slot. So if you can get your power ups up, that's what's gonna help you the most as far as getting these blue cards here, like the blue boost that you're trying to get here. So I have Tre'Davious White. I need to power him up, and I need to power up Sherman, and then I'll be sitting pretty good at that point. I want to get Khalil Mack instead of Bobby Bell, I think, but this is what I run. I run stuff on the linebackers, and like I said, lockdown, and same thing. If you can get 93 rated corners, and then 93s here, you're pretty well close to maxing it out. And then I used to have to I'd run stuff on all these, and then I would have my one linebacker would be locked down. Actually, I still have him as locked down, but so that was when they were all 93 rated cards. That was how I got my max chems. You can get max chems with all 93s for sure, I believe, and then some backup 88 pluses. So that's it for my chems there. It's pretty good. For Madden, I need to look at John Madden more, but I have Madden rushing and Madden pass D. I did Madden pass D because you get the +1 man and the +1 zone. But I'd also like to I need to get Madden, and then I have Madden physical. I need to get Madden rush D in to help out my D line. But that's it. That's how you max out these tiers here. You obviously get the higher rated players. You go to upgrade, and then you go to this spot here, and then you just go up to the highest tier you can go, and you upgrade them. So I think these are the best chems. These are my favorite chems to use. Like I said, I might switch to play fake on the offensive side, because if I think Mahomes is going to be way better than Lamar, then I might keep Mahomes, but I'll probably end up selling Mahomes. But also I have the Ravens passing chem, so Lamar is going to play even better for me. Those are the extra boosts he gets from the passing chem, and that's why I'm keeping Ogden and Ronnie Stanley on the tackle position. So that's it. Those are my best chems, my favorite chems. If you guys have anything that you like, any chems that you like, or anything you'd like to do different, let me know. Or if you have any questions on how to improve it, let me know. Drop it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Again, the support's been nuts. I can't tell you guys how much I thank you enough. We hit 200 subscribers last night on YouTube, which is insane. I didn't think we would hit that for a long time, and we went from like 100 to 200 in a week. So you guys are awesome. Thank you guys. If you got any questions, let me know. But other than that, thank you guys. Peace.